challenge for us, for the municipality of Barotac Viejo, to at least showcase what Patubas has. It's the first Patubas Festival when it was held last December 28, 2009, and with that, we are eager to showcase the province of Iloilo, what Barotac Viejo has, of course.
And of course, Kasadyahan 2010 is very pleased that you could join us. And sir, I'd like to ask, what was the inspiration for your performance earlier?
The performance was titled at least Pasalamat sa Lutak, wherein Barotac's Viejo name came from Baruto na naglubong sa Lutak, which was added Viejo to add as for old one, for there's a nuevo, which is a new one, which Barotac Viejo name comes from.
I see. And JP, thank you so much, and good luck to your tribe. Again, Kasadyahan is pleased that you are with us here.
Thank you so much.
And thank you, and all the best for your Tibo. And we're back to our performance stage for our next presenter.